Can you just walk me through where you see the world of oil right now? I know OPEC said some stuff. We see a little bit of drilling coming back. How do you see oil playing out over, say, the next 6 months and 2 years? Like, where do you think it's going and why?
I mean, that's a great question. I spend a lot of time trying to figure that out. Over the next 6 months is really hard. The shorter the time frame, the harder it seems to be to predict what happens. Unexpected things happen regularly. That's kind of the nature of them. So the longer things go out, the easier it is to see because there's kind of time for things to even out and for unexpected things to have to balance themselves out over time. So right now, the rig count is starting to recover. Frac stacks are starting to come back to work. OPEC is bringing production back online. And there's this COVID Delta variant, which is scaring various governments and getting them to implement failed policies again by locking down their cities or states or countries. So there's kind of a few things that kind of all of those look really negative for oil demand and could throw oil out of balance. But the really big positive is the combination of oil supply capacity being lower than one might think and lower than you see in headlines, and oil demand kind of frustrating news editors around the world continuing to grow at a little bit actually faster than its historic pace of 1% a year, which it's been doing for the last 30 plus years. So supply is actually surprising a little bit to the downside, and demand is continuing to grow at a little bit of a faster than 1%, a little bit faster than the historic rate. So I think things look really good, and I think things look better, again, from a higher oil price perspective 2 years out than they do today, and they might even look better further out than that.